In this video, I'll show you how to edit photos in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you want to improve image quality, adjust colors, remove imperfections, or create professional-looking photos, Photopea gives you powerful editing tools completely online. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Once the website loads, click *open from Computer* and select the photo you want to edit. Your image will appear in the workspace, ready for editing. Start with basic adjustments. If your photo needs cropping, select the ** crop tool and remove unwanted areas. To improve brightness, contrast, or colors, open the ** image * menu and use the available adjustment options. You can also apply filters to sharpen your image or reduce noise for a cleaner look. Next, use the * spot healing brush * or clone stamp tool * to remove small blemishes, dust spots, or unwanted marks. Zoom in while editing to achieve more accurate results. If you want to make your photo stand out, use adjustment layers to fine-tune exposure, saturation, hue, and color balance. Because these are non-destructive edits, you can modify them later without changing the original image. You can also add text, shapes, or graphic elements to your photo if you're creating social media posts, banners, or YouTube thumbnails. Organize everything with layers so each element can be edited independently. Once you're happy with the final result, click ** file **, select * export as *, choose a format such as JPG or PNG, adjust the quality if needed, and save the edited photo to your computer. That's how to edit photos in Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching.